Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Malinee from Malinee Sati channel. Today I'm gonna make cold brew coffee using Sowden coffee maker. I really like using this coffee maker, especially in summer, because it make very nice cold coffee. You can use it to make hot coffee as well. It has three components: the stainless steel filter, the lid, and the pot, which is made from porcelain. The porcelain keep the coffee hot or cold longer, and the design is very beautiful. The stainless steel filter has very small holes all over the filter. It can filter any particle larger than 150 microns. And from far away, you cannot even tell that there are holes all over the filter. So I'm going to show you in the next video. And because it's a soft brew method, it gives you a smoother taste. The microfilter also gives you more flexibility. You can use either fine ground coffee or coarse coffee. Today I'm gonna make cold brew coffee using my Sowden, which is the 8-cup size, and I'm gonna make like more intense coffee. So we're gonna use 3 cups of ground coffee and 8 cups room temperature filter water. Let's start making coffee together. So I'm using Lavazza coffee. I ground it medium fine. After adding 3 cups of ground coffee, then I'm gonna add water. So just keeping adding water until the coffee ground filled up to the top. Then stir so the water steep through the filter. Then adding more water, stir again. Repeat this process until you add all the 8 cups of water. If you want less intense coffee, you can just use 2 cups of coffee ground. Here I'm done adding all 8 cups of water in the coffee, and you can see that it looked very nice, the cream on the top, but it's not ready to drink yet. We have to let it brew for 12 hours. You can either put it in the refrigerator or just leave it on the countertop. I left my coffee on the countertop over 12 hours, so it's like 18 hours. I guess the taste gonna be very rich, and let's test it. There you go. See, the color is very nice. Oh, and the fragrance is beautiful. Let's test it. Very rich. It's very, very rich. I like it. And if you are interested in Sowden, I put the link in my description. Cold brew is one of my favorite methods to make my coffee. I hope you give it a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.